How to pin multiple location on Google Maps. I'm going to tell you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. To do this, open Google Maps and enter your first location in the search bar. Once selected, click Directions and enter your starting point. To add another stop, look below the destination field and tap the plus or add stop button. You can keep adding locations, then rearrange them by dragging the three-line icon next to each stop. If you want to save multiple locations for later, search for place, tap Save, choose or create a list like favorites or want to go. These saved locations can be accessed anytime under the Saved tab in the menu. For more advanced planning, use Google My Maps where you can drop multiple pins, label locations, and customize routes.